Hi folks, welcome back. Today we are going to go get our first load of hay. I am super excited, and it may seem like a really silly thing to get excited about, especially considering how it's probably going to make my allergies go bananas. I'm excited because this is a homestead first, right? This is a homestead first. We're gonna get our very first nice big bales of hay, and yeah. So it's not gonna be great hay. It's gonna be kind of a lesser quality hay because mostly it's going to be for putting in the chicken coop and putting in the garden to keep our chickens healthy and our garden mulched for a change, which would be nice. So as soon as hubby gets ready, we'll be hopping in the Titan and going to pick up our first load of hay. Hi. Hi. It's called B-roll, honey. Told you I was gonna film it. Stunted popcorn. There's our stunted popcorn. It just didn't do a whole lot, did it? Alright. And away we go.
It's all bent up. Weird.
Take them one at a time, or you want me to carry the other one? This one. So we've gotten our hay home, and I think we've decided where we want to stack it. So now we get the fun job of stacking it. Whoa! 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 Oh, the battery died. It's not dead yet, though. And there we have it. It's our first bales of hay stacked in the chicken yard.
Yeah.
10 of them. They're about ate up.
What do y'all see? Huh? That's different.
Think they just want to get in there and scratch in it. Turkeys gave up, I guess.